welcome to my kitchen today. So for today's recipe, we're going to look at how you can make a creamy fruit salad. So you're going to get your fruits, banana, apple, pawpaw, different fruits, and then to make this combo unique, we're going to add groundnuts, peanut butter, and honey to this with milk, of course. So let's get to work. So here are all our ingredients. This is the pineapple, this is pawpaw, this is groundnuts, this is watermelon, so bananas, and then this is an apple. Then this is the peanut butter I'll be using. Then this is a full cream Hollandia milk. Then this is also dairy milk, and then this is honey. So these are the things you actually need to prepare this. So I've already sliced the pineapple, as you can see. So I'll just go ahead to slice the watermelon so we could get started. So now we're going to start preparing the fruit salad. We're going to use this as the container for the salad. So I'm just going to arrange our table a bit. So what I'm going to do first is to add our milk. Right, and then we'd add a peanut butter, just a teaspoon of it. Yeah. So what we just do, we just mix it a bit. Some person might say this looks weird and awkward and all that, but I think this works. And for those that want to add weight, you could find this peanut butter in handy, but you can do without the peanut butter, but I feel it makes it more creamy, which is the goal of this. Alright, and then add a honey. Just a drop would do. Yeah. I think that works. So let's just go ahead to add our fruits. So I'll start with my watermelon. Just add a little bit of it. Then add my pineapple. Then the remaining of this fruit can go back to the fridge for the next round of preparation. Then add our pawpaw and skim a little bit. Then let's add our apple. And then our banana. I think I'll add more of this banana because it has the creamy feel we're looking out for. Alright, so at this point we just mix and stir. Then I think I add more of this banana across it. I think it makes it look so creamy. And then I'm gonna add this. We're also adding a full cream Hollandia milk too. Oh my God, Jesus Christ, oh my God. And then we just add a groundnut to this. And then we stir again. So this is a closure of what creamy fruit salad looks like. So I'm going to take it to the fridge till we